Good afternoon, class 5. Today in this video I am going to explain you a poem, Mr. Fly. Okay, so let's start from here. You can see here some pictures of insects are given. I hope you all can acknowledge it कि आप देख सकते हो आप कि you can all identify which insects these are. Like number 1 is bee, double E, bee. Second is grasshopper, GRASSHOPPER. Next is mosquito, MOSQUITO, mosquito. Okay, next is butterfly. You all can easily identify the pictures. Butterfly, BUTTERFLY, butterfly. Next is cricket, CRICKET, cricket. Okay, next is beetle, BEETLE. So these are the insects: bee, grasshopper, mosquito, butterfly, cricket and beetle. Now let's study the poem. Now read this poem to find out what a fly does and how he behaves. जो फ्लाइज होती हैं उनका क्या करती हैं वो, एंड वो कैसे बिहेव करती हैं, वी विल स्टडी इन दिस पोएम. सो टुडे इन दिस वीडियो आई एम जस्ट गोइंग टू रीड आउट द पोएम विच यू हैव टू प्रैक्टिस एट होम. ठीक है, आपको भी रिसाइट करनी है पोएम, घर पे बोलने की प्रैक्टिस करनी है. ओके क्लास, सो लेट्स स्टार्ट. द नेम ऑफ द पोएम इज मिस्टर फ्लाई. What a sharp little fellow is Mr. Fly. He goes where he pleases, low or high, and can walk just as well with his feet to the sky as I can on the floor. At the window he comes with a buzz and a roar, and over the smooth glass can easily pass, or through the keyhole of the door. He eats the sugar and goes away, nor ever once asks what there is to pay. And sometimes he crosses the teapot's stream and comes and plunges his head in the cream. Then on the edge of the jug he stands and cleans his wings with his feet and hands. This done, through the window he hurries away and gives a buzz as if to say, "At present I haven't a minute to stay, but I will peep in again in the course of the day." Then away he will fly where the sunbeams lie, and neither stop to shake hands nor bid one goodbye. Such a strange little fellow is Mr. Fly, who goes where he pleases, low or high, and can walk on the ceiling without ever feeling a fear of tumbling down sky high. So this is the poem which you have to recite and you have to practice. Okay, and the poet of this poem is Thomas Miller. 1807 to 1874, was born in Lincolnshire, England. He was a great poet and a novelist who wrote extensively on rural subjects. Okay, so read this poem, children. In next video I will explain you this poem. Thank you.